Flower Friday. Today we are doing the Mercedes. You will see the 4 Mercedes in Tuto, pointing up, down, left, and right. But for now, let's dive into a tutorial how to do a Mercedes. First, let's understand the movement, the poi motion, and then the and motion. The poi, doing 1 circle, while the other do 2 circle. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. And it is why Mercedes is kind of complicated because both and are doing something totally different. We do have one arm that do full extension, while the other do triquetra. But both arms are traveling the same pattern. First, the 2 circle versus 1. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, and then try to connect the hand and still keep that motion. Still keep that motion. And slowly try to move the hand into that motion. And the hand should do a circle while the other poi do 1 circle for this hand that is in spin and 2 circle for the other. What is a triquetra? 2 circle. I'm doing 1 circle, so my poi is downward here, and 1 circle downward here. And what I do, 1, 2, up, 1, 2, up, 1. What is really tricky in that movement and what looks like really nice is when you can make sure that your hands are connected all the time. And a couple of things that you can do while you are doing that. There is a C cap going here. Interesting. And you can start over your triquetra. You can have a C cap on the other. You can go into all the thing that is based on fire element, like one the other, or an air element. This is really nice. Boom and bam, you can start over. Now, let's dive into the 4 triquetra. The idea is that when you do a triquetra, I can have a point here, like gliding, pointing, pointing. I'm pointing in that position. Or I can have another triquetra that the triquetra will point towards the other side. I can have a triquetra with pointing down, pedal, or I can have a triquetra with pointing up, pedal. So triquetra could be really interesting. The idea of the triquetra pointing towards a direction gives you many opportunities. I let you explore on that. When I do light painting with a triquetra, I just look at how many time it will take to do the full circle. For this one, if I get shutter speed, of 1.5 second, it's give me good picture, but it depends on the rhythm of each poi spinner. On the photo, I think I do have an aperture of 14 and an ISO around like 100 or something like that. Oh, one thing, if you would like to do a triquetra, the more that your hand will be long and extended, the more you will have a nice triquetra. So, bye bye, au plaisir. Prenez soin de vous. See you on another Flower Friday.